Hey, this will be a video chart on XMDC, Xtrend Med Corporation. This is one that we've done a few times, and I want to get it updated because the chart's presenting a pretty interesting setup here, and I've gotten quite a few requests on it as the chart has remained pretty popular. So hopefully I can get some things addressed and then point out this little pattern here that's shaping up. So not to state the obvious, but we all remember when it made its big move up here. A lot of eyes got put on it, and it's from there. It's kind of just been slowly going down, but at the same time, the overall context is still bullish. And remember, when I say overall context, I mean long-term view. And how can I say that the long-term view is still bullish? Well, if you look at the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, you can clearly see that the 50-day is upsloping. And from right about this portion here, this is where the 200-day started to get that positive slope to it. And these are the two moving averages you want to use when, in order to get an overall context. Not if you're a day trader, you really don't care. Even if you're a short-term swing trader, you really don't care about what these ones have to say. But if you're looking to just grasp the overall concept and movement of a chart, you want to look at these moving averages to get what the overall trend is. So knowing that and seeing what's been happening, this could present a nice little risk versus reward entry. And besides that, from a daily chart perspective and for the longer term holders, it's getting to a point where hopefully the bulls decide to kind of wake up here and make another push, because it's getting it's getting towards the area where the charts had plenty of time to consolidate, so it's time to get moving here. The one kind of pattern it's been holding. So if I draw this downtrend line here like that, then I can draw a support line basically across like this. And this is pretty rough. You could probably move it up a little bit. And then you could draw something like that, basically implying this bull flag we've had. And yes, we still have some room for it. But at the same time, the key thing that I want to point out with this is the 50-day simple moving average. You can see that we're basically sitting right on top of it now. And ideally, you'd like to see some price movement off there. If you don't, is it the end of the world? No, it's not. But the bulls hopefully will be able to flex their muscles here and show that they still got some gas left in the tank and push this upwards. And better yet, if they can break through this trend line here, that would produce a very nice looking chart and would definitely draw in some more volume. Just by chart players alone. I mean, chart players love these sorts of plays where you got a longer term consolidation pattern happening, which is what has been occurring, and then to get a breakout on obviously hopefully some higher volume. But one first things first, hopefully we can see some action off of this 50-day simple moving average. Now if it does fall, we still do have this line here, and re-looking at it, I'd probably move it down here, and this level, it is a key support also, so I'll just change it to green for that. But this level is at 0.034 based on the high of this. So if you look at it here, when it was a previous resistance, when it was turned to support, we had it bounce from there, another bounce, another bounce, another bounce. So this level's got a good history of bullish support. So like I said, if the 50-day can hold, then hopefully this 0.034 area can hold right here. Now let's say we do get a nice little bounce off the 50-day and we get up through this line. Where's the price possibilities looking to get through? And really, I wouldn't be surprised to see 0.08 at all if we can get a nice high volume break of this trend line, because that's kind of where these highs over here are at, is right around this 8 cent area, a little bit above there. So it wouldn't be surprising at all to see a break of this trend line and then have to come up here and at least give this area a test. Hopefully it would push through that area and keep on going up to give this above 10 cents a try. But first it would have to get through this 8 cents area. So with any sort of nice bullish bounce off this, and more importantly the break of this trend line, the price could really get moving again, and hopefully that'll be the case. Also looking down here at the MACD, let me bring this up a little bit. You can see that it's barely dropped below zero, but the key thing here is that it's leveled out now. So hopefully this next week we can see it begin to curl back up and then get through this its signal line here. And if it can do that, that would be some great secondary confirmation that the bulls are really starting to gain back steam. So keep your eye on the MACD next week also. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message and I'll do my best to help you out. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook which has been getting very good reviews, goes over tips and tricks on how to use charts in the market to make money. And then with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is it's all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together, so it's worth giving a try. One more time, this was XMDC. Thanks for listening and have a good weekend.